Hello everyone! Welcome na naman dito sa aking channel. And kumusta kayo? Welcome ngayong 2026 nga. And again, this is Zia. Sa dami ng mga nagtatanong sa akin like, Ate Zia, anong loan app ang safe para sa beginner? Or may loan ba na monthly ang bayad, hindi yung 7 or 14 days lang? So this video is exactly for you. So let's be real, marami sa atin ang natatalanan sa mga short terms na loans. Mabilis mag-approve, pero sobrang bilis din maningil at nauuwi sa stress, panic at minsan harassment. Kaya today ay hindi tayo nagmamadali ha. Pag-uusapan natin ang best monthly loans for beginners. So, yung legit, malinaw ang terms, may monthly payment options at mas kayang i-handle ng normal na income earner whether ikaw ay first time mangutang, employee, freelancer or small business owner. Or gusto mo lang ng mas maayos at hindi nakakapanik na loan. So this guide is for you. Okay? So ang number 1 natin ay yung GCash G loan. Ang GCash G loan is one of the most convenient legit loan options nga for Filipinos. So directly integrated in your GCash app. So, ang features nito, pwede kang umutang hanggang 125,000. Meron itong monthly repayment terms from 1 month up to 12 months. Minsan mas mahaba pa. No collateral, no paperwork, at yung interest rate as low as around 1.45% monthly depending on G-score. So, ang qualifications dito, dapat meron lang tayong verified GCash account nga, good transaction and G-score history requirements. Number 2, mga ka-ins review na i-share ko sa inyo ay itong home credit. So, yung home credit nga isn't just for gadgets, okay? So, they also offer personal cash loan options with longer monthly terms. So, merong 6 hanggang 60 months or 5 years. Yung terms, meron itong loan amount from 3,000 hanggang 150,000 pesos. Napaka-transparent din yung terms. Ang qualifications para makautang nga dito, dapat Filipino citizen, at least 21 years old, may requirements na valid ID at yung proof of income. Good for those, number 1, who need medium to long-term financing like tuition, renovation, or legit online loan. And number 3, mga ka-ins review na pwede nyo i-consider utangan ngayong 2026 ay yung Cashalo loan. So, yung Cashalo loan is a popular SEC registered loan app nga with flexible monthly repayment. Usable for both shopping and cash needs. And yung loan amount nga in terms, 2,000 hanggang 25,000 pesos. And repayment terms can be monthly up to 6 months. Pero syempre, para sa repeat borrowers na yon, pag first time borrower, mas mababa. Flexible payment schedule hanggang 45 days, installment options available din. No collateral. Qualifications, dapat Filipino citizen, edad ay 18 years old. So, para ito sa mga beginners, maganda kung gusto mong hulugan yung buwan-buwan, di ba? At number 4 nga, yung Tala Loan. Itong Tala is one of the pioneer mobile loan apps dito sa Pilipinas. Napaka-user-friendly and known for transparent processes. Okay? Pwede kayong umutang dito ng 1,000 hanggang 25,000 pesos. Usually, 18 to 61 days yung terms, but with good repayment behavior. So, you may see monthly or extended terms depending on offers. Meron itong features na fast approval nga within 24 hours, pero minsan, minuto lang yan, pwedeng ma-approvehan yung loan application nyo. No collateral and great for emergencies. Ang qualifications and requirements naman, pwede sa mga Android or smartphone. Valid IDs. Number 5 nga ay yung Tonic Builders Loan. So, itong Tonic is a digital bank loan with very competitive monthly add-on interest and flexible terms. So, yung Tonic Credit Builders Loan ay pwede kayong umutang hanggang 50,000 pesos. Diba? May terms ito na mahaba din, like 12 months, ganyan. Basta monthly tayo magbabayad. And then, napaka-fast approval din. Ang pwedeng umutang dito, dapat Filipino citizen, regular income, may valid ID, income proof, at maganda ito para sa mga first-time borrower. It's a bank regulated din ito kaya napaka-transparent and good for larger at sa mga longer term needs. Number 6 ay yung mga bank personal loans like Metrobank, BPI, PS Bank. Okay? These are the traditional banks personal loans with monthly repayment terms. Lower interest, di ba? Yung Metrobank and PS Bank personal loan naman, pwede kayong umutang or loan amounts up to hundreds of thousands and mababa din yung interest rate nito ha. terms 12 months hanggang 36 months, walang collateral, pero para lang ito sa mga eligible borrowers. Dapat yung edad ay 21 to 65 years old, mayroong stable source of income, employment proof at requirements, valid IDs, income documents like yung payslip, BIR forms, at para ito sa mga big goals like travels, tuitions, wedding, or gusto mong magpa-renovate ng bahay. Number 7 nga ay yung other banks, digital loan options. Here are some other legitimate monthly loan options you can explore like yung CIMB, personal loan nga ito, loan up to 1 million and meron itong terms na hanggang 60 months or 5 years. Napaka-competitive rin yung interest, 1.12%, 1.95%. Pwede nyo rin subukan yung SB Finance personal loan hanggang 2 million loan amount. Monthly repayment options with no collateral needed. This work well if you meet income and documentation requirements. So yun na nga guys, so when choosing a monthly loan, remember these 5 tips, okay? Una, yung clear repayment schedule. Dapat monthly. I-avoid natin yung mga short-term loan like 7 to 14 day traps, okay? Dapat regulated ng BSP, SEC registered, and dapat clear breakdown of interest and fees. Repayment flexibility, dapat no harassment or unclear charges. Always read the fine prints nga before signing. So you can even ask for a sample schedule from the lender. Here's a quick recap mga ka-ins review of the best monthly loan options for beginners. Best for fast and easy. So, ang number 1 nga, yung GCash Zloan, reliable and familiar app. Best for flexible terms. Number 2 nga, yung Cashalo. So, good installment ito. Yung digital banks like Tonic, ayan, low add-on, and long terms. Then, best for traditional banks naman, yung Metrobank, PS Bank, BPI. Meron itong mga lower interest, longer terms naman. Para naman sa mga first-time emergencies, pwede nyo subukan yung Tala. Quick and simple lang ito. So, each option has its pros and cons. But the key is to match the loan with your ability to repay monthly without stress. Okay, so yun lang mga ka-ins review. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng comparison, yung mga charts, FAQs, or step-by-step how to apply for this loan, i-comment nyo lang yan sa baba and I'll make a follow-up video. Ayan, thank you for watching. Please don't forget nga to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon dyan sa baba para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos like yung mga legit at hindi legit na mga nagpapautang online. Thank you and see you sa aking next vlog. Bye!